Would you believe this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, the products in here is valued at $227? Hi everyone, it's Alicat Castle. Nice to see you again. And in today's episode, we will be doing an unbagging of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes, and as you all know, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a monthly beauty bag subscription for $25 where you get 5 full-size products, and out of the 5, you get to pick the 3 products that you love, and then 2 is recommended by Ipsy. So without further ado, let's open this beauty. And just so you know, I actually pre-opened my bag and I tried some of the products just so that I can actually give you a better review on them and give you a better advice on how to maximize on the product. And here she is, yes! And let's open this beauty. And this month's theme is Force of Nature, yes, and inside actually has some tips. There you go. So without further ado, let's start with the first product in here. And the first product is the Honest Beauty Everything Cream Foundation. Yes, and this foundation is creamy, demi-matte finish. It gives a medium to full coverage. It has a seamless application, and it says that this has a formula that you could want in a foundation, and it was founded by actress and clean beauty connoisseur Jessica Alba. And Honest Beauty is a collection of innovative, good-for-you products designed with transparency and safety. And this retails for $22. And I actually tried it right here already. And it's actually a pretty good foundation. This foundation, believe it or not, is also made in Italy. Yes, for something that's Italian made, that's very affordable. And here she is, yes. So let me show you. There she is. It's actually very creamy, but you still want to make sure that your face is really hydrated or really primed before you put this on, because even if it's creamy, it's not as liquidy or will apply flawlessly as to compared to a liquid foundation. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'll just put a little bit of moisturizer on my face. This moisturizer is not included in here, but just for you to have an idea how you can maximize this product. So I actually like to apply this foundation while my moisturizer or primer is still wet on the skin. And see, I'm gonna apply it with my fingers. And then see how it just glides once you actually have that primer or moisturizer wet on the skin. And you can definitely use it with your fingers. And oh my gosh, if you actually hear some cars, that's actually my problem of living in the city. And I actually have no control of it, but we're gonna do our very best so that you can hear me. But look at that, it's actually pretty awesome. So if you want something that's like easy and in a compact, and you don't want like a powder foundation, or you also don't want a liquid foundation, this can definitely be a good alternative. Look at that, it's so easy. And then if you want further fuller coverage, what you can also do is you can actually use your beauty blender. Look at that. See, it's like just gives you like a natural finish. And you just make sure that your beauty blender is damp with water. And then after that, you just dip it in right there. And then you basically just press it onto the skin. And that way, it will actually help to take off some of your finger marks. Look at that. It's amazing. And actually, I'll be honest with you, I actually love it. It's actually lightweight. And look at that! Yeah, so now the next product here is let me show you. It's the Tristique Color and Contour Cheek Stick. Yes, and this one actually retails for $28. And I love this because this 2-in-1 bronzing and contouring stick sculpts your features and gives skin a natural looking glow. It's creamy, it's a buildable bronzer, and it also has a built-in angled contour brush. Yes, and let me show you. I actually love this. I actually use this to contour my cheekbones, my jawline, as well as my forehead. And this one is also, let's see, believe it or not, it's also made in Italy. Oh my gosh. And for something that's Italian made for $28, that's amazing. And look how cute the packaging is. And there you go. It's actually retractable. And look how cute. It also has a brush in the bottom. So what I actually did was I actually just used my own brush once I applied this one. So I use this. Again, this is not in the box, this brush. This is actually just Real Techniques. And then I just draw a line right on my jawline. I mean, not jawline. Right on my cheekbones. And then I apply it a little bit right here. Yeah, because I like this unboxing to be very educational as well. As a professional makeup artist, this is actually what we do as well when we do makeup for television, where, you know, everything is like fast and easy. So I don't want to do the fast forwarded videos anymore, just so that you can really learn and have an idea on how you can maximize the products as well. And after that, I'm gonna switch to this big brush, also from Real Techniques. And look, you basically just like tap it, and then look how it just like blends in. And then you do it right that as well. Sorry for my English. English is my second language. So if my English is actually like not in the right context, as long as you understand what I'm saying, I mean, I think that's what's important, right? But look at that. I mean, it really gives you like that nice contour feel, but without the heaviness of a real contour. And then if you want, you can also do this right on your jawline. Look at that. We actually do this a lot as well. And again, a very good alternative compared to a powder bronzer, because a cream bronzer is more forgiving. And then if you also want to do your nose, to contour your nose, this is also pretty awesome. Again, another brush from Real Techniques. As you can see, I'm such a fan of like that company. And then I'm just gonna connect from the crease of my eye towards the sides of the nose. I'm just doing it really fast, just so you get to really have an idea on how I do it. And you do it like that, and you just blend it with your fingers. And if you want, you can also just like use your fingers. And it's amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you the other products that we have in here, but let me just set it with a setting powder and do my contour, my blush, as well as my lips. And I'm gonna show you the other products that we have in here. I'll be back. And I'm back, and the next product here is the Bugishi's number 7 collection makeup brushes. And this retails for $30, and it says, consider this set the essential tools in your makeup bag. It includes an illuminator brush for a highlighting and contouring, a crease brush, a concealer brush, a double-ended brow brush for grooming, and a tapered blending brush for your eyes and face. Yes, each brush is made with a lightweight bamboo handle and 100% synthetic brushes. So let's actually see this. That's actually what I like about Ipsy. They always send a lot of brushes. So here we go. Let's actually feel them. And I actually got a Bugishi's concealer perfecting brush in one of the glam bags, which is the regular glam bag. And here they are. And they actually feel really good. If you can actually ask me, based on how I actually see them right now, I can already say that I actually love this angled brush, because it's actually stiff, but at the same time, it's still movable. And then I also love this little concealer brush right here. And then these two eye blending brushes, I'm not sure, because they're blending brushes, but they're actually flat on the sides. So that's something that I need to explore on. But this little baby one, I think is something that I can use. Yes, especially a little bit on the side as well. So quite happy about that. So the next product here is by the way, that was actually part of their pick. So they picked that as well as the bronzer. So now time for my next pick. And my next pick is the Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. Yes, and this one retails for $62. Yes, and this serum is packed with a stable form of vitamin C, a powerhouse antioxidant that helps brighten and even your complexion. Yes, that protects against aging from free radical damage. Yes, and it also says that the Vitabrid C12 is a biotech company, meaning they take the science of skincare seriously. So there you go. Actually, it's actually sealed, but let me just open it just so that we can actually see the bottle. And now just opening the seal. I actually like it when they're sealed. And this one actually is made in Korea. Yes. And look at that. Oh my gosh, this is very big. And it's actually like in an oil form. So I'm really looking forward to be using that. Let's actually try a little bit of this as well. Oh my gosh. And then let's actually feel it. Let's see how it feels on the skin. It's actually a very lightweight oil. But you know what? The good thing is it's vitamin C. Vitamin C is good to brighten the skin. So for my age, and I'm 41 years old, I need everything to brighten my skin. So I'm looking forward to this. So the next product that I chose is the Peel All-in-One Serum. Yes, and this one actually has alpha hydroxy acid, vitamin C, as well as hyaluronic acid. Yes, and let's actually see what the description of this. This actually values at $85, and it says this topical supplement provides your skin with key nutrients and ingredients like what I said, hyaluronic acid and soothing tiger grass. By the way, do you know the ingredient tiger grass? If you do, please let me know what that is in the comment section below. And it also says that in addition to being vegan, cruelty-free, and all natural, the pill is 100% free of both synthetic and natural fragrances that can irritate the skin. When you use the pill, all you can smell is its functional ingredients, which some people describe as slightly tangy or fermented. Yes! So I'm really looking forward to this. Though the packaging actually is has like a little bit of stain, but that's okay. I mean, as long as it's not open. So now let's do a recap of everything we got. So we actually got, first and foremost, again, the Honest Beauty Foundation. I actually love this. We use that. We also got the bronzing stick, which was very cute. And we also got the makeup brushes. We got the vitamin C serum. And we also got the Peel Serum. And believe it or not, the value of everything is $227, and we only paid $25. And if you ask me, I'm very happy with all the products right now, or on this box, because I basically got to pick too expensive skincare that I cannot afford. And then I actually love the bronzer, believe it or not. You actually saw how it really worked well on your skin. And even foundation is good. And in the brushes, I actually like 3 out of the 5. So I think that's a win. So by the way, what do you think of this beauty box or of the products that we got? Do you think it's worth the $25? And also, if you have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, what products did you get? I would like to hear from you. And again, this is Alicat Castle. And if you enjoyed this video and if you find value, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, please consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much. And again, always remember, and I really mean this from the bottom of my heart, you are beautiful with or without makeup. And I'll see you soon. Love you. Bye.